Smart has just released 3 new images showcasing the Smart Hashtag 2 undergoing its latest round of testing, offering a fresh glimpse into the development of this next-generation urban EV. The all-electric Smart Hashtag 2 is entering the final phase of its global testing program ahead of its world premiere at the Paris Motor Show this October. This comprehensive validation process ensures the new two-seater delivers exceptional agility, stability, refinement, and safety. In Germany, the vehicle is undergoing rigorous trials in a custom camouflage designed by the Mercedes-Benz global design team. Engineers evaluate its performance through emergency maneuvers, low-grip conditions, and complex urban scenarios, continuously refining the chassis and suspension. To elevate cabin comfort, extensive NVH testing is conducted across wind tunnels, acoustic chambers, temperature-controlled rigs, proving grounds, and public roads. Every aspect, from wind and road noise to powertrain vibration and sound quality, is carefully optimized. Durability testing simulates real-world impacts such as curb strikes and potholes, ensuring long-term reliability. The next-generation tridion safety cell provides a robust structural foundation, meeting modern safety standards while maintaining compact dimensions. With its signature wheels at the corners stance, the Smart Hashtag 2 is engineered for exceptional maneuverability in dense urban environments. As anticipation grows across Europe, the production model is preparing for its official debut in Paris this October. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.